Akwande, my name is Thando Mahlangu. Welcome to my tutorial class where I teach you IsiNdebele. I teach you the word IsiNdebele and then I tell you in English. Yeah. Okay, namhlanje I'll teach you about the words with the similar tone, almost with a similar writing in IsiNdebele, and then I will say them again in English and what do they mean. I will teach you the meanings of them and then I will say them in English again. Okay, for example, let's go for Khamula. Khamula, when I say Khamula, it means drink, take a sip in English, you know. Again, when I say khamula, namkhana umkhamulo. Yeah, when I say umkhamulo, I mean something that you can be able to drink, but most of the time I'm talking about it could be a cold drink or utshwala. And another word for utshwala in IsiNdebele, we are saying isiyezi. You know why isiyezi? Because after drinking an alcohol, you become dizzy. That's why we are saying isiyezi. So isiyezi, it's an alcoholic drink. Namkana, it's an alcohol. Ikhasi in English, it's a gas. Yeah, it's a gas. And then bese nangiti khanogo. Nangiti khanogo, I'm simply saying it's enough now. It's khanogo. Khanogo is njese ku khanogo. I mean it's enough now, okay? Yes. And then when I say uyahapa, nangithi kuwe uyahapa, it means now you are crazy. Now you are out of your mind. In IsiNdebele, I said uyahapa. Nangithi kuwe ngiba ungilethele ikhara ngapho. This is what I mean. I mean, bring me a cotton. Yes, ngitsho right. Bring me a cotton. Kodwana ngesiNdebele ngithi ngiba ikhara, ngiba ungilethele ikhara. Yabona? Then ikharafu. Ikharafu, it's a shovel. Angiyazi ukuthi ngipronounce kuhle mara singiyisike. Ngesingisi, in English they say it's a shovel. Yes. And then ikhaga ngemagageni. Ikhaga, it's a curve. NgesiNdebele nase ngiyihlahlula ngithi ngemagageni, ngemahlathini, kulapha kusabeka khona namkhana kulapha kubudisi khona. Lapha kunzima khona, kungemagageni. But in English I will say in a cave. I was inside the cave. I was at the magageni. You know, simple like that. And then umgagabula, it's something that it's long. Umgagabula. Yes. Bese ke iraso. Iraso imncamo, it's beads that we wore around our necks that are representing a t-shirt. I'm kind of a jacket. If I come like this, wearing only this, it means I'm wearing something. I'm wearing ngelimi lesiNdebele. Ngihloniphekile begodu ngiyahlonipha. Then umkhachi. When we say umkhachi, it's a presenter. It could be a television presenter, namkana a radio presenter. Umkhachi. Then umkhacho, it's a radio station. Any radio station, mkhacho. Tina sitsho njalo sithi mkhacho. Then the person who's working in a radio station, who is an on-air presenter, we're saying umkhachi. Yes. Bagwethu, for today, That was our class in English and IsiNdebele. Thank you very much for tuning in. You can also follow me on TikTok at Tando Mahlangu _. Ngiyathokoza.